Look, let's get straight into it. In this explainer, we are breaking down a painful reality. If you're a solo founder, a freelancer, or a coach, you are probably living this reality right now. You absolutely have the skills to deliver incredible results, but instead of actually doing the work, you are bleeding time chasing clients. You're trying to build a business, but without a reliable system, you're just hunting for your next paycheck. And the true cost of this frustration? Well, it's way higher than you think. Are you just completely exhausted by that feast or famine cycle? One month, you are absolutely slammed. And the next, you're staring at an empty pipeline. This unpredictable revenue trap is literally killing your momentum, not to mention your peace of mind. You spend hours personalizing cold emails, sending out DMs, just hoping someone bites. But hope is not a strategy. And if you feel like you're spinning your wheels right now, you are definitely not alone, because there's a terrifying statistic that proves exactly what you're up against. 63%. That is the harsh reality. 63% of freelancers and solo founders flat out quit within 2 years. Why? It's not because they lack talent. Not at all. It is entirely because of inconsistent revenue. They hit a wall. And the traditional advice you've been given to solve this? It is completely broken. Let me show you exactly why your current options are setting you up to fail. Right now, you really only have two choices. Choice 1 is hiring an expensive marketing agency that charges anywhere from $5 to $20 grand a month, unless you've got a massive ad budget burning a hole in your pocket. That will bankrupt you. Choice 2, piecing together hundreds of fragmented generic AI tools. And that just causes total analysis paralysis. You end up spending way more time learning the tools than actually closing clients. What you genuinely need isn't another random app or some overpriced agency. You need a unified engine. Enter the one-man client engine by Trade Digital. Architected by Hosni, who is an absolute master at building AI systems for solo entrepreneurs, this is the exact breakthrough you've been waiting for. This isn't just another shiny dashboard. It is a complete 7-gear AI-powered system built specifically for one person. It is designed to entirely replace a full marketing team. Let me be crystal clear as your mentor today. This is not another theory-based course that leaves you to figure out the complex execution all by yourself. And it's definitely not a generic, disconnected tool. Deeply powered by Claude AI, this is a complete plug-and-play engine. It takes you from absolute zero visibility to a fully booked calendar. Want to see how it actually gives you superpowers? Let's open up the hood.
The entire system is built on 7 precision-engineered gears. Gear 1 is the Prospect Radar. It uses AI to pinpoint your exact ideal clients in minutes, saving you days of soul-crushing manual research. Gear 2 is the Positioning Forge. Here, you craft a value proposition so magnetic, you become the only logical choice in your market. Then, Gear 3 activates the Outreach Engine. You instantly launch automated cold emails and DMs using proven scripts, meaning you have warm conversations happening on absolute autopilot. But getting responses, that is only half the battle. Next up is Gear 4, the Content Magnet, which builds an inbound system that pulls leads directly to you. Then, Gear 5 activates the Pipeline Autopilot. This one is incredible. It leverages the advanced Claude Sonnet AI model to actively track your deals and write intelligent follow-ups for you. Gear 6, the Proposal Closer, arms you with templates that convert at 3 times the industry average. And finally, Gear 7, the Retention Loop, turns those one-off clients into repeat buyers and referral machines. It is truly end-to-end, and the financial transformation, well, it's undeniable. Let's look at the hard data. Landing just one new premium client using this system covers your entire investment 10 times over. 10x. We are talking about predictable, system-driven growth that completely shatters that feast or famine cycle for good. But believe it or not, the financial gain isn't even the biggest transformation you're going to experience. Let's talk about what this gives back to your daily life. 20 hours. That is the immediate operational transformation. This system literally saves you 20 hours per week by replacing manual, exhausting prospecting with AI running silently in the background. Imagine getting half your work week back. Imagine being entirely focused on delivering your actual service instead of desperately hunting for it. And the best part? You do not have to wait months to see this happen. Just listen to the results from one of our beta users, a freelance marketer. They reported, "I landed 2 new clients in my first week using the Outreach Engine. That's more than I got in the previous 3 months combined. This engine consistently delivers a 3 times higher proposal close rate, driving real, measurable transformation in just 30 days. It is a complete pipeline overhaul." So what exactly is inside this thing? You get absolutely everything required to replace an entire marketing department. Over 2,000 proven AI prompts, the advanced Claude-powered Pipeline Autopilot app, 30 dedicated AI skills,
250 business scripts. You even get access to an exclusive school membership community for live coaching and a full agency reseller license to white label the whole system. This is a massive, totally unprecedented stack of value. And the entry price? It completely removes all friction.
$17, that's it. You can get instant access to the core engine starting at just $17. You do not need a team. You do not need a massive ad budget. You just need to plug into a system that actually works for a one-person business. The opportunity cost of waiting, of sending even one more manual cold DM, is just way too high. The era of the struggling soloist is officially over. It is time to step up and step into predictable growth. Take action today, launch your AI-powered client acquisition system, and replace that empty pipeline with premium clients. I'm going to leave you with one final question. The engine is ready. Are you?